common for the last experiment, pH and the dissociation constant of boric acid and ammonia. Weak acids and bases are only partially ionized in their solutions, whereas strong acids and bases are completely ionized when dissolved in water. There are only a few strong acids. The strong acids are hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrobromic acid, hydroiodic acid, perchloric acid, and chloric acid. All the other acids are weak. The hydroxides of the group 1 or alkali metals and group 2 alkaline earth metals usually are considered to be strong bases. These are classic Arrhenius bases. Furthermore, weak acids and bases are very common and we encounter them often. Some common weak acids and bases are given here. In this experiment, boric acid is a weak acid and ammonia is a weak base. The ionization of weak acids and bases is a chemical equilibrium phenomenon. The equilibrium principles are essential for the understanding of equilibria of weak acids and bases. For this, assume that HA is a weak acid and B is a weak base. The dissociations of these and expressions for the respective equilibrium constant are shown here. The square brackets indicate molar concentrations of the species. The value of the dissociation constant indicates to what extent the reaction occurs. However, there are various other substances that can donate or accept more than one proton per molecule, and these are known as polyprotic acids and bases. The dissociation process occurs stepwise, and there is an equilibrium constant for each of the steps. Polyprotic acids and bases have multiple dissociation constants such as Ka1, Ka2, Ka3, or Kb1, Kb2, and Kb3. A simple method to determine the acid dissociation constant Ka of the weak acid and the base dissociation constant Kb of the weak base is to determine the pH of known concentrations of these solutions. The pH of the solutions can be used to determine the molarity of hydronium ions in the respective solutions at equilibrium. The pH is then calculated using the expression pH is equal to negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration. pH is a scale used to specify the acidity or basicity of an aqueous solution. Acidic solutions are measured to have lower pH values than basic or alkaline solutions. The pH scale is logarithmic and inversely indicates the concentration of hydronium ions or hydrogen ions in the solution. The concentrations of hydronium ions and hydroxide ions in an aqueous solution are related to the auto-ionization of water, which can be expressed by the ionic product of water. In this experiment, you will prepare various solutions of known pH and find out the colors that are characteristics of some indicators in solutions of different pH. You will use this information to determine the dissociation constants of the weak acid, boric acid, and weak base, ammonia. So that's it. Let me end by a quote from a famous Chinese philosopher Confucius. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Until next time, goodbye and God bless.